I'm gonna show you everything that I have so far in this beautiful makeup bag that was gifted to me. But before we get into the actual inside of the bag, I would love to start off with just acknowledging that this material is so soft and so smooth. It feels luxury, it feels chic, it feels classic. I'm really loving the look of this bag. I even love the little diagonal zip over here. I feel like that just adds a little bit of pizzazz to the bag. Super easy to carry with the handle right here. And then let's go ahead and open her up. So whenever you open up the inside of the bag, this is what it looks like. I'm going to tip it over so you can see everything I have in here. Please keep in mind, this is not even full capacity. I could fit more in here if I really wanted to. One thing I love so much about this is that they have this little pocket area up here. So I kind of look at this as the area for anything that's really small. You don't want it to get lost. Your nail clippers, your tweezers, anything you want to keep separate. Maybe something like a hair utensil, but you don't want to get hair all over the bag, right? Like something along those lines. If you have something that you don't want to get wet or something that may sometimes spill a lot, something like liquid, you might want to pop that in here. So I love that they have that option. And then y'all, once you really get into the bag, there are so many little pockets in here. So again, this obviously can be used as a makeup bag. I kind of use it as a whatever I need to put in here bag, but I do have some perfume. So these are little high heel perfumes that I can just stick on to these little pockets right here. I have a crochet needle for my hair. I have some lipstick, some lip liner, mascara. This is actually my sunscreen that I stuck in here, and then some hairspray over here. So like I said, you have options. And then in the big pocket, I like to put some of my facial stuff. So right here, I have my moisturizer. So you can see how deep this pocket is. And then I have a serum that I use for my face. And then here in the bottom, I have two little travel containers. So, I mean, like I said, this bag is super spacious. Even though I have a lot of this stuff in here, I still have more room. And I love the look. I love the feel. I love all the different pockets that you have, all the areas where you can like hang something or like put a little tube into, however you want to use this bag, up to you. But either way, I highly recommend it.